Coredy Robot Vacuum Cleaner, 1700 pascals strong suction, super thin robotic vacuum, multiple cleaning modes, automatic self-charging robot vacuum for pet hair, hard floor to medium pile carpets. 1700 PA strong suction robot vacuum for pet hair. The slim robot vacuum cleaner 2.7 inches uses 1700 PA strong suction, working with dual edge brushes and a rolling brush, which can pick up almost all kinds of garbage like dust, pet/human hair and daily paper, etc. With its excellent off-road skills, thin robot vacuum R3500 is perfect for cleaning from hardwood floor to medium pile with 58 decibels low noise mute. Multiple cleaning modes and remote control, 4 selective cleaning system, automatic, spot, max vacuuming and edge cleaning modes will fulfill your different vacuuming needs. Also, the smart vacuum cleaner can be adjusted by the remote control to customize your cleaning time when you are not at home or too busy. Superior battery and washable HEPA filter, adopting 2600 mAh batteries with working time up to 120 minutes when at full charged, meeting a deep cleaning from the kitchen, living room to the bedroom, about 120 square meters, 550 milliliters anti-spill dust box, supports longer cleaning sessions.